the fat Fisherman channel. Cast your line, let's ride the waves and travel from calm.
Walked quite a long way. I was what's over there, so that's the harbour was. Quite a long way, quite a long way. I'm knackered here. There's a bridge there, see it? I'm hoping it's got no fucking sign on it. If it's got no sign on it, I'm walking to the end of it, I'm gonna fucking fish. That's a good sign. Seen a few fish about. Nothing massive, but I've still got a way to walk. Mullet. Loads of sea slugs here. First time I've seen sea slugs. Loads of them. They're down to the front, but they're getting bigger. I'm going to get a bit of bread out there. Sit there, get bread out. Fish. Not massive. There's fish here. There's fish here. It doesn't say you can't fish. It doesn't say you can't fish. So I'm going to go. I see a few lumps out of them. I wonder if there's any predator fish here. Further out, I'm right out here now. Oh yeah. Set the tripod up. Sit down. And have a fish, I think. Yeah. It's good in there here. Plastic in the fucking water down there. What it is. Yeah, I think this is ideal. This is ideal, mate. Oh, I think I'm going to sit there and chill. Wash my shoes off. Oh, me. Whew. There we go. So I see anybody coming. I'll just pack it up straight away. No, I don't think there's anything on this now. No, there ain't. Let's recast. Oh, I'm on. I think. No, I ain't. Yeah, I am. I'm on. Oh, it's come off. Bastard. If it was big, that was definitely on. A little show around. So that's where I started. That's where I come on. Walked off. That's where the harbour was. Where I wanted to go and fish, but you're not allowed. And we got loads of views here. Look at that. Lush. Absolute lush. Oh, bread's being attacked. Lift it up. It's definitely getting it. Main all this is the lagoon. This salt. It's a saltwater lake, really, basically. Past that, over that way. Past that mountain thing, hill, island, is the Med. But yeah. Loads of jellyfish. They're fried egg jellyfish, they are. Non-sting, they don't sting you. They don't sting you. Kids love picking them up. I'm just going to put my top on. This top's for Kevin Crawford, this top is. Oh, I'm in. Oh, I'm not in. I am in. Got a little mullet. Let me how it is. Oh, I need a little mullet. I've only got myself a little mullet. It works, Kev. How the hell did you going to do that? Put that in there. Oh, come, spike. Spike me, man. It bloody spiked me. Oh, it works. It works, Kevin. It works. Had my first fish. Only a little one. So this is the rig. Oh, watch these hooks. So you put it like that. That's it. That's it. Some hooks like that. I've won. I'm on. Fish on. Only a small one. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, little mullet. There we go. It works for the mullet. Definitely works for the mullet. Shame it ain't bigger. It's rare to see a British man fishing. I like to use his South African. Oh, he's done it again. Chill. 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 Oh, no. Chill. Ah, they're spiky, motherfucker. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. So, just a little mullet. Oh, come on. Little mullet. There we go. Little mullet. Oh, Jesus. Back in again. Off he goes. I stink, man. One now. There we go. And again. A bit of aggression. No, I don't think there's anything on this now. No, there ain't. Let's recast. Oh, I'm on. I think. No, I ain't. Yeah, I am. I'm on. I'm on. I'm on. Oh, it's come off. Bastard. Again. Off it goes. There we go. See, little small, it's all little small ones. See that? Makes me odd. That's over there. Can't see where the bread is. Over there somewhere. Over there somewhere. Seagull, set off seagull. Oh no, you don't. Don't want to be catching a seagull. Yeah,